Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the previous session we have discussed about the derivative of logarithm as well as exponential function. So now last class we had seen about the definition of a logarithm function, definition of our exponential function and its graph along with the domain as well as range. So here one more thing what I want to repeat is both logarithm and exponential both are inverse of each other, okay, that we can examine by the graph itself. First thing. Second thing, now today we shall start with the problems related to our exponential function, exponential as well as logarithm function. So the first problem, this is all related to our exercise 5.4 here, okay, exercise 5.4. okay. The first problem is first one, that is differentiate the following, the heading differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x the following function. The first topic, what is the first problem? He has given that y is equal to e raised to x divided by what we have, sin x. Y is equal to e raised to x divided by sin x we are having. So here by looking onto the problem we can say that it is u by v rule, that is a quotient formula. What is that? D by dx of u by v. Now what is that? Okay, that we shall observe here. U as v as it is, then d by du by dx minus what we have here, u as it is, then dv by dx whole divided by v square. That means here in this quotient rule the denominator part v we have to first keep as it is, okay, that is we know that here. Now here this part is u and this particular part is v, that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to the first part v as it is means I will write sin x as it is, then d by dx of u, okay, this part is u and this part is v here. Now u, e raised to x differentiation, that is d by dx of e raised to x, very simple. Next one, minus of u as it is, u means what we have, e raised to x as it is, then dv by dx means d by dx of sin x whole divided by v square. What is this v square here? That is nothing but here sin square x, okay, the first part. Now we shall differentiate it. So what we get here, that is sin x as it is into e raised to x differentiation will be e raised to x only minus of e raised to x as it is into sin x differentiation. What is that? Cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x whole divided by what we have, sin square x. Now here I can take e raised to x common, what we have, sin x minus cos x whole divided by what we get here, sin square x. That is nothing but our differentiation of y with respect to x. That is your required result. Very simple and easy problems. Okay. Now let us move on with the next problem. Second problem, let us write down the question first of all. That is y is equal to e raised to sin inverse of x. Y is equal to e raised to sin inverse of x. Very simple problem it is. Okay. Exercise 5.4, it is a second problem. Now here differentiate with respect to x, that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to, we know that d by dx of e raised to x, what is that? E raised to x only, okay, because therefore what we have here, e raised to, I will take this whole thing as x only, what we get, d by dx of e raised to sin inverse of x. E raised to anything, the differentiation will be that only, that is e raised to sin inverse of x. Now the further d by dx of what we will have, the power part, that is nothing but here sin inverse x. Now here the last step, that is e raised to sin inverse of x whole divided by what is the differentiation of sin inverse of x, okay, d by dx of sin inverse of x is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. That we had already discussed about the, okay, formula in the topic differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. So what we get here, 1 minus x square, that is your required result. Okay, that was a very very simple question. Now in the place of sine inverse, you may have cos inverse, tan inverse, like that problem also you may have here. Now let us move on to the next problem. Okay, the next problem, let me look onto the question. Third one, that is exercise 5.4. Third question, y is equal to e raised to x cube. Y is equal to e raised to x cube. That is our third question. Very very simple one it is. Now here differentiate what we have. Differentiate with respect to x now. So what we have differentiate with respect to x here, that is nothing but here dy by dx equal to what we have here, e raised to x cube differentiation. That is, you can take it as one part here, that is e raised to again x cube as it is. Further d by dx of what we have, the power part, what it is, x cube. Now what is the differentiation of x cube here? That is nothing but here x cube differentiation is 3x square, that is e raised to x cube into 3x square. That is your required result. Very very simple problem. Then the fourth question. What is the question? Y is equal to sine of tan inverse of e raised to x. Okay, y is equal to sine of tan inverse of e raised to x. It is a very very simple problem. We can observe that it is a function of function here, f of g of h here. Okay, therefore first we have to differentiate this sin x. Sin x differentiation will be cos x, the whole thing as it is. Then the differentiation of this whole part. Afterwards differentiation of last e raised to x. That we will continue here. Now differentiate okay, with respect to x here. So what we get here, that is dy by dx equal to sine differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos x, in the place of x we are having the whole term here, that is tan inverse of e raised to x. Now according to composition of function, further differentiation of what we have here, d by dx of tan inverse of what we have, tan inverse of e raised to x here. Now what is the next step here? I will keep this whole term as it is, tan inverse of the whole thing differentiation, that we shall continue. Okay, next step, which is equal to what we have here, that is cos of tan inverse of e raised to x, okay, into d by dx of tan inverse. What is that? 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to x whole square, d by dx of e raised to x whole square. Okay, that is nothing but here tan inverse of x differentiation. Why? In the previous session we had seen here d by dx of tan inverse of x is nothing but 1 divided by 1 plus x square. In the place of x, what we have here, we are having here e raised to x, therefore e raised to x whole square. Now further differentiation of this part I have to do, that is into d by dx of e raised to x, d by dx of e raised to x, that we shall solve now. Okay dear students, here the chain rule plays a very very important role. Okay, if possible watch my chain rule topic again and again. That video we have to watch again and again for the better understanding. Now so what we get here, that is cos of tan inverse of e raised to x term as it is, then divided by what we have, 1 plus e raised to x square, that is nothing but, can I write it as e raised to 2x, very simple, then into d by dx of e raised to x, the value is e raised to x only, because differentiation of e raised to x will be e raised to x only. That is your required result. Okay, very very simple problem. Now let us start with the fifth one. The fifth question, y is equal to log of cos of e raised to x. Okay, y is equal to log of cos of e raised to x. Very simple problem, that is NCERT exercise 5.4, the fifth problem. Now, how we require to solve it? A very simple problem here. First of all, differentiate with respect to x here. So what we get here, dy by dx equal to differentiation of log. We know the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Okay, d by dx of log x. So what is that formula? 1 by x here, because now here according to that what will you have here, that is 1 divided by cos e raised to x, further d by dx of the whole part. What is that? Cos e raised to x. Now the next step, that is nothing but here 1 divided by cos e raised to x. Okay. Next here cos a differentiation. What is the differentiation of cos here? That is nothing but here minus sin e raised to x. Okay. We are taking e raised to x as, take it as x here, into d by dx of further differentiation of here e raised to x here. Further differentiation of e raised to x. So what we get here, which is equal to sin e raised to x divided by cos e raised to x, minus, as it is, minus sin by cos, that is nothing but here tan, minus tan of e raised to x. Instead of this value of variable we are having e raised to x, into further differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x only. That is your required result. Very simple and effective problem here. Okay, now the next problem. The problems are very simple. But each video is a continuation of other. For example, you can observe that the continuous function is required here. Okay, and then afterwards the differentiation of inverse trigonometry required, differentiation of logarithm and exponential is required. Okay, chain rule is required. Everything is continuation part here. Okay, now the next problem. Next one, that is y is equal to root of e raised to root x. Y is equal to root of e raised to x when x is greater than 0. Obviously x should be greater than 0. Why? If it is less than 0, what happens? Root of negative value. Root of negative means it is nothing but our complex numbers. Okay, so here now how we require to solve it? So first of all, we know the differentiation of d by dx of root x. What is the d by dx of root x? That is nothing but here 1 by 2 root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Or else you can make use of x raised to n formula. Okay, x raised to n formula you can take here. So what we get here, that is dy by dx. dy by dx equal to root differentiation. What is it? That is 1 divided by 2 into root of e raised to root x. 1 divided by root, this whole term we take it as x. Okay, this whole term take it as x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Next one is further differentiation of the innermost part, that is d by dx of e raised to root x here. D by dx of e raised to root x. Now very simple, that is nothing but 1 divided by 2 into root of e raised to root x into differentiation of e raised to x. E raised to x only, but what we have in place of x? We are having root x. That means it is again a composition function here. It is again a composition function. Therefore, we have d by dx of what we have here? Root x we will get here. Okay, composition of function here. Now very simple, root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x, that is substitute and write down the required result, that is e raised to root x divided by 2 into root of e raised to root x into d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. That is a required result. Or else you can write 2 into 2, that is 4 you can write, and you can substitute it. Okay dear friends, it is a very simple example here. Now let us move on with the next example now. Okay, the next example is y is equal to log of log x. Y is equal to log of log x. Very simple example. Log of log x. So we know that differentiation of log x. d by dx of log x, what we have, log x is nothing but here 1 by x here, okay, because now similarly here what we have here, that is the dy by dx equal to log differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನದ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ log x whole complete term ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so therefore what we have here log x 1 divided by log x. Now further d by dx of what we have, d by dx of what we have, the innermost part, what is that innermost part, that is nothing but here log x, matam differentiate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರೋದು. So what we get here, that is 1 divided by log x into log x differentiation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ultimately what we get the result, x into log x, that is a required result, that is a differentiation of y is equal to log of log x. Very very simple example. Okay. The next problem is y is equal to cos x divided by log x, where x is greater than 0. Okay. The next problem, here what we require to do here, by looking into the function you can say that it is a derivative of u by v, the quotient formula, okay, and what does that says, d by dx of u by v equal to v as it is du by dx minus u as it is dv by dx whole divided by v square, whole divided by v square. Very very simple example. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ, because or else we know that now we can observe here, that is a dy by dx equal to, this part is v here and this part is u here, v as it is andre enagli log x as it is, okay. Then differentiation of cos x, okay, d by dx of cos x, d by dx of cos x. Next term minus of, okay, minus of what we have here, okay, I will rewrite once again dear students here, that is the dy by dx equal to log x as it is into d by dx of cos x minus of, okay, minus of u as it is andre no cos x as it is into differentiation of the denominator, that is nothing but here d by dx of log x, now whole divided by what we have here, whole divided by, okay, that is log x square, that is log x whole square. Now we can observe that here I have to differentiate cos x with respect to x and log x with respect to x, and our problem is over. Okay, we shall continue here. Now, so what we get here, that is a dy by dx equal to, so log x as it is, dear students, log x as it is into cos x differentiation, what we have, minus sin x, I will write here minus sin x, okay. Next part, minus of cos x as it is, what we have, differentiation of log x is 1 by x whole divided by log x whole square, whole divided by log x whole square, that is a required result. For our further simplification, you can multiply x here and take it to the denominator, that is nothing but here minus x into log x into sin x minus cos x whole divided by what we have here, that is x into log x whole square, x into log x whole square, that is a required result, which is equal to ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಪಿ ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx. Dear students, it is a very very simple and easy example. Okay dear students, now let us start with this particular problem. What we have, y is equal to cos of log x plus e raised to x, okay. Differentiate with respect to x here, differentiate with respect to x here, y differentiation will be dy by dx, differentiation of cos becomes minus sin into as it is, the whole thing as it is, so what we get here, log x plus e raised to x into further differentiation of the innermost part, that is d by dx of log x plus e raised to x, log x plus e raised to x, Now it is very simple, log x differentiation, take it separately, e raised to x differentiation, take it separately. So what we have, minus sine of log x plus e raised to x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus e raised to x as it is. Okay, e raised to x as it is. That is a required result. That is a dy by dx. Very, very simple problem. Now let us move on with the last problem, that is y is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to x square plus so on till e raised to x raised to 5. Now here we can observe that here first of all e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x only, that is differentiate with respect to x, okay. So what we get here, that is a d by dx of y, which is equal to e raised to x differentiation d by dx of e raised to x plus d by dx of e raised to x square. I will complete this term, okay. I will complete this term as what, x square e raised to x cube e raised to x raised to 4 as well as e raised to x raised to 5 plus d by dx of e raised to x cube, okay, plus d by dx of e raised to x raised to 4 plus d by dx of x raised to e raised to x raised to 5. Okay, just I had written completely all the terms here. Here in the question it is given so on. Now the next thing is differentiation of e raised to x. Obviously e raised to x is e raised to x only. Next part plus here e raised to x, the same thing as it is, into further composition function, it is d by dx of x square here, okay friends, plus e raised to x cube here, e raised to x differentiation will be here, e raised to x only, the same term, into d by dx of x cube, okay. The next part plus next part is e raised to x raised to 4 into d by dx of x raised to 4 here, plus e raised to x raised to 5 into d by dx of x raised to 5 here. That is a required answer. Then on the last step is differentiation of x square, we have to write differentiation of x cube, x raised to 4 and x raised to 5 differentiation, we have to do it, which is equal to e raised to x plus x square differentiation will be 2x into e raised to x square plus x cube differentiation will be 3x square into e raised to x cube plus x raised to 4 differentiation will be 4 into x cube into e raised to x raised to 4, okay, at last, plus here x raised to 5 differentiation will be 5x raised to 4, okay, into e raised to x raised to 5. That is a required result. Okay, dear students, now here this completes our 5.4 exercise. 5.4 is completed. In the next class, we shall start with the problems related to our properties of logarithm function. Properties of logarithm function, that we shall discuss. Okay, dear students, that is enough for today's class. Thank you.